How to recover WhatsApp view once photos or videos. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you if it's possible to recover WhatsApp view once photos or videos or not. So first thing what I want you to do is simply open up your WhatsApp, and as you can see here is a person who is sending me view once photos inside here. So let me just select it. For privacy reason you can see this image, but once I try to screenshot the image, you can't screenshot because the app doesn't allow screenshot because of its privacy settings. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now I can't open it back. So what we can do is I can see many people trying out this option, which is by heading over to your settings and simply, so they come to settings. Once they arrive in settings, they scroll down until they see the storage and data section and just click on manage storage. And from over here, what they do is simply select on this chat section and select the person who sent you the view once photos. But when you click on this option and simply select it by sort it out by new, you can see there is actually no any new photos, which is and all of the videos in which you see these process are fake, so don't follow them. So there is actually no any way to actually view the view once photos because it's the WhatsApp policy to not letting the photos or videos which is set to view once to be viewed again. So hope this video clarifies your doubts and be alert from scam videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful. See you on the next one.